Well, I'm at Mann Viaduct, and repairs, after about 12 years of being reported, repairs have now started, and it looks as though whoever's doing it is doing a good job. They've really bottomed it. They've even got a fire assembly point. Look at that. Don't know what can set on fire apart from exposed scaffolding boards. You can see right away down they've got ready to do some more down there. It's the 14th of July. Materials ready. Stones, the gear. Put that over the top. So it's looking as though it's going to be a really good job. Well done, whoever's done it. Kirtleys Council, is it? Well done. Yeah.